Welcome back to MyDan Computer Trading Channel. In our last episode, we introduced CapCut AI and why it's such a game changer. Today, we're jumping into one of its most exciting tools, text-to-video AI. With this feature, you can type a simple description, like a motivational video about success, and CapCut will turn it into a video for you in seconds. Let's see how it works. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and share this video so more beginners can discover the power of CapCut AI. Now, we're going to jump into an on-screen recording so I can show you exactly how to do this. The first thing you need to do is open up the tool. To do that, go to the CapCut website and click on Tools. From the menu, select Text-to-Video AI. This opens a workspace where you'll type your prompt. Once you have your prompt, then choose a style for your video. CapCut lets you pick a style for your video like cinematic, cartoon, or modern social media style. We're gonna go with cinematic for this demo. The next step is to generate your video. Simply click on the Generate button and CapCut AI does the rest. In just a few seconds, it creates a video complete with stock footage, background music, and text overlays. The amazing thing about this tool is that you're not stuck with the AI result. You can edit everything. Change the text, swap clips, adjust the music, or even add your own voiceover. Think of it as a starting point, not the final product. For example, let's say you're not happy with the generated text. You can easily change it by double-clicking on it and typing in your own message. If you don't like a particular clip, simply drag it to the trash icon to remove it. You can also fine-tune the generated music by adjusting the volume here. Once you're happy with your video, click on Export. Choose your desired resolution. I recommend 1080p for YouTube or TikTok and save your video. It's now ready to share. And that's how you use CapCut's text-to-video AI to turn words into videos. It's fast, fun, and perfect for beginners who want to start creating without getting stuck on complex edits. In our next episode, we'll explore script-to-video AI, which takes your written script and builds a full video scene by scene. So, if you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video and let me know in the comments. What prompt would you use for your first AI video? And just like that, you've created a video with AI in under 10 minutes. See you in the next video.